Ever wondered what it takes to handle a fast car like a Chevy Corvette, Dodge Charger, or Ford Mustang? The thrill of speed, the hum of the engine, the grip of the tires on the asphalt. It's a sensation that's hard to match. But with great power comes great responsibility. Driving these high-performance vehicles isn't just about the adrenaline rush, it's a dance that requires skill, precision, and a deep understanding of the machine you're commanding. From the sensitive throttle response to the sharp steering input, each element demands your full attention and respect. It's a passion for some, a peril for others. Yet it's undeniable that the allure of these automotive beasts is compelling. So if you're intrigued by the exhilaration of speed, buckle up as we take you through the skills needed to master these beasts of the road. Driving a fast car isn't just about pressing the gas pedal, it's a skill, an art. It's about understanding the dynamics of the car, mastering smooth steering, learning throttle control, practicing braking techniques, and developing a sense of spatial awareness. Firstly, understanding your car's dynamics is crucial. Every vehicle has its own unique balance of power, weight, and handling. Knowing how your car responds to different situations will help you make the right decisions at the right time. For instance, rear-wheel drive cars like the Chevy Corvette behave differently from front-wheel drive cars when accelerating or cornering. Understanding this allows you to anticipate and control your car's behavior. Next, we have smooth steering. Jerky movements can unsettle the car and reduce your control. Smooth, precise movements can keep the car balanced, especially when you're pushing the limits. Picture yourself in a Dodge Charger, gliding around curves with fluidity and grace. That's the power of smooth steering. Throttle control is another essential skill. Simply slamming the pedal to the metal can lead to wheel spin and loss of control. Learning to modulate the throttle, gradually increasing and decreasing power, can help you maintain traction and speed. It's not just about going fast, but going fast safely. Braking techniques are also vital. It's not just about stopping the car, but using the brakes to control the car's balance and direction. Remember, the faster you go, the more important braking becomes. In a Ford Mustang, for instance, knowing when and how hard to brake can be the difference between a thrilling ride and a dangerous spin. Finally, developing a sense of spatial awareness is key. You need to be aware of the road, the traffic, and the environment around you. This helps you anticipate potential hazards, react accordingly, ensuring not just your safety, but also the safety of others on the road. Remember, the key to driving a fast car effectively and safely lies in mastering these skills. Behind every fast car on the street is a safety testing process. This is the high-speed driving, the meticulous and stringent process that ensures every twist and turn, every burst of speed, is as safe as it is exhilarating. To begin with, there's the crash test. These are conducted to evaluate the car's capacity to shield its occupants during an impact. The car is launched into a barrier at varying velocities and angles, mirroring real-world crash situations. The acquired data assists manufacturers in designing cars that absorb and dissipate collision energy, minimizing the possibility of harm. Following this, we conduct brake tests. For fast cars, these tests are indispensable, considering their capacity to hit high speeds in a fraction of a second. During these tests, the car is driven at high velocities and then abruptly halted. The objective is to verify the brakes can endure the heat and pressure of swift deceleration. Without next in line are the stability control tests. These evaluate the car's competency to maintain control during abrupt changes in direction or speed. This is especially crucial for fast cars, as high velocities can make a car more prone to skidding or overturning. By examining the car's stability control systems, manufacturers can assist drivers in retaining control even in the toughest driving conditions. Finally, comes the tire performance tests. These assess how effectively the tires cling to the road and react to changes in direction at high velocities. After all, a fast car's performance is only as good as its tires. The superior the grip, the superior the performance and safety, particularly when taking corners at high speeds. Each of these tests plays a crucial role in ensuring that driving a fast car continues to be a thrilling yet secure experience. They assist manufacturers in designing cars that not only push the limits of speed, but do so while prioritizing the safety of the driver. Be assured, these exhaustive safety tests guarantee that your thrill for speed doesn't jeopardize your safety. So, the next time you're behind the wheel of a fast car, remember the rigorous testing that has gone into making your ride as safe as it is thrilling. Ever experienced your tires slipping while driving fast? Here's why. Tires are your car's only point of contact with the road, and their grip is crucial for safe driving. When we hit the gas pedal, a lot happens in that small contact area. The friction between the tire and the road surface provides the necessary grip. But as speed increases, the force exerted by the tires to maintain grip can exceed the frictional force. This is when your tires start to slip. Also, tires have a certain temperature range where they perform best. Driving fast can generate heat, potentially pushing tires beyond their optimal temperature range, causing a loss of traction. Tire pressure also plays a pivotal role. Over or underinflated tires can lose their grip faster. To prevent this, ensure your tires are in good condition, properly inflated, and try to maintain a safe speed. So next time you're on the road, remember, speed can be a thrill, but it can also lead to a spill. Now let's talk about the pinnacle of car performance, the top speed. This is the maximum velocity that a car can reach under ideal conditions. But what exactly determines this speed? Well, it's a combination of engine power, aerodynamics, and weight. Let's take a closer look at some popular street cars. The Chevy Corvette, a classic American sports car, can reach a breathtaking top speed of around 185 miles per hour. This is thanks to its powerful V8 engine, lightweight body, and sleek aerodynamic design. Next up, the Dodge Charger. Known for its muscular look and powerful engine, the Charger can hit top speeds of around 175 miles per hour. While it may not be as fast as the Corvette, the Charger offers a unique combination of performance and practicality, making it a popular choice among car enthusiasts. And then we have the Ford Mustang, another iconic American car. With its potent V8 engine, the Mustang can reach top speeds of approximately 165 miles per hour. Its timeless design and raw power have made it a favorite among gearheads for decades. However, it's important to remember that top speed isn't everything. In fact, it's only one part of the equation. Handling, braking, and acceleration are equally, if not more, important when it comes to performance. After all, what good is a high top speed if you can't control it? Consider this. Formula One cars, some of the fastest vehicles on the planet, rarely reach their top speed during races. Instead, they rely on their exceptional handling and acceleration to navigate the track. The same principle applies to street cars. It's not just about how fast you can go, but how well you can control that speed. Ultimately, the top speed is just one facet of a fast car. Remember, it's not just about how fast you can go, but how well you can control that speed. Ever wondered how street racers get that extra burst of speed, leaving their competition in the dust? Well, the secret lies in a simple chemical compound, nitrous oxide, also known as NOS. But how does it work exactly? Nitrous oxide, when heated, splits into nitrogen and oxygen. The extra oxygen then combines with the fuel in the engine, allowing it to burn more fuel more quickly, thus creating more power and significantly boosting the engine's performance. It's not just the street racers who harness the power of nitrous oxide. The professional motorsports world, especially drag racing, has been using NOS for decades. It provides that extra kick, that sudden surge of speed that can mean the difference between victory and defeat. But like all good things, there's a catch. Using nitrous oxide isn't without its risks. It can cause engine damage if not used correctly. The sudden increase in combustion can lead to increased pressure and heat, potentially damaging the engine. That's why it's important to use it judiciously, and preferably under professional guidance. Moreover, there are safety considerations as well. Nitrous oxide is a potent engine booster that has risks. It's also a controlled substance in many jurisdictions due to its potential misuse. So, if you're looking for that extra edge in speed, nitrous oxide might just be your secret weapon. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always prioritize safety and consider safety checklists for inspections before use. Speed thrills, stay safe, share, and subscribe. Automotive checklist available on my channel.